Jasmine Queen. Welcome to the Ingles table. Today we're doing something a little different and spicing things up in the kitchen. We're making my egg roll in a bowl. I just got back from Ingles with these great ingredients and we're ready to get started. I have some chicken breast here that I've already cooked just to make it a little bit easier today. You know, Ingles sells chicken that's already cooked back where you get your regular chicken. You can find already cooked chicken there. You could even do some rotisserie chicken if you wanted to, but this is just a chicken breast that I picked up, already cooked it, so we're going to get this in. I have my wok heated here with some oil, and we're just doing this to get the chicken heated up because we've already cooked it. There we go. Kind of coat these little pieces in a little bit of this oil here. All right. Perfect. Okay, next up, I have a super easy ingredient. I bought the already bagged coleslaw at Ingles. So this just has a little bit of cabbage. It has some carrots already in here. So that's gonna go in. How easy is that? I didn't have to slice any of this up by myself. Just another reason to love Ingles right there. Already have it for me. I have some onion. I like a lot of onion, so we're gonna dump. Let's just dump it all, why not, right? And we're gonna let this get a little warmed up. You know, when I eat Asian food, I absolutely have to have an egg roll. But egg rolls aren't really a meal, and sometimes they're not that healthy because they usually get deep fried in a wrapper. So we're making a healthy version of egg roll today that will be a whole meal. So that's why I like this so much. And it's easy, it's quick, and you can see it makes a ton. So I can have this for leftovers tomorrow too. All right. Make sure we get all of this heated. Okay. Now comes the fun part. We get to add all of the spices that makes an egg roll taste like an egg roll. We have some garlic, and I just bought the minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want, but you guys know I like to do things quick and easy. I have a busy life, so anything I can do to take shortcuts, I like to do. I have some ground ginger here. Again, you could use fresh ginger for that, but we're fast, we're easy today, right? I have some sesame oil. If you've never used sesame oil before, you're going to love it. Don't skimp on this ingredient because this really makes it taste like a genuine egg roll. We have some rice wine vinegar. You can hear it sizzling. Some Hoisin sauce. And Ingles carries every single one of these ingredients, so you don't have to go anywhere else to get all of this stuff to make it. And then soy sauce. There we go. We'll get this stirred up. It's looking like an egg roll. Looks just like the inside of an egg roll. You can substitute the chicken. You could do pork if you like pork egg rolls. You could do beef. You could make it vegetarian and just leave out any kind of meat. There we go. It's starting to look like an egg roll. Okay. And now I'm going to add some peanuts. I like to give it a little bit extra crunch. So we're going to add that. We'll use that to top it here in just a second. So let's get all this stirred in. Of course, you could use cashews, or you could just eliminate the nuts altogether. Whatever you want to do. All right, this is looking really good. It's smoking, so we know it's hot, right? All right. We're gonna let this sit for just like 1 minute, and then we'll put it in a bowl. So let's see. All right, guys, this cooked for about an extra minute. It's all heated. It's all ready to go. So we're going to put our egg roll in a bowl, right? We'll move our peanuts because we're going to top it with that in just a second. Make sure we turn that off. And here we go. Let's get that in there. And this will serve several people. And it's actually an egg roll meal, which I love. Yeah, there we go. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. And all the veggies, it looks healthy. Let's top it with some peanuts. Oh, look how perfect that is. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Remember to explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.